Hello and good morning everyone. We are here at 18th edition of RAI Expo 2025 and we are having Mr. Rajat Shrivastava, General Manager Marketing with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about the new launch from an icon.
Thank you. So this is our 10th time we are coming to REI and we are continuously showcasing our products whichever comes, it's a new technology what we offer. So this time you will find our G12R with 625 and 635 watt peak. It is available. You can see it's outside. So it's a new technology. People are preferring G12R series in TopCon. It saves a lot of cost in BOS and right now it's in demand. So we are manufacturing that. Our 2.6 gigawatt factory is operational and we are open for the orders for G12.
That's really great to hear that. And how's your organization aligning its business strategy with India's 2070 net zero goals?
Definitely. See, there are two ways my company is working. First is we are expanding our production, and the second one is doing the integration, backward and forward both. Apart from module manufacturing, we have production unit for EV and backsheets. We are coming up with aluminum frame, and best what we can say is we are coming up with a cell line, DCR cell line in Odisha. So this would be 2.2 gigawatt coming by 2026. So that's how we are making ourselves, ready for the India's goal. What we are going.
And moving on to our next question, what are the biggest challenges you face in scaling renewable projects towards net zero?
Challenges are those which we can overcome. So I don't find that is that challenges. It's a motivation, you can say. There are a lot of demands coming up in the market. There are a lot of players are coming in the market, but definitely we all have our own market share. People who are buying in kilowatts when we had started in 2014, the same company is now into megawatt, and some company deals with the gigawatt projects. So there is an opportunity for us. We are having a good market share, and problems I don't find any challenges. India's policy, India government, vision for renewable energy is very clear. Because of that, we are moving ahead with, some challenges comes, last year there was some shortage for the DCR cell, but now most of the players are coming up with the DCR cell manufacturing. We are getting enough, raw material from that. So challenges, we all fraternity has faced it and we overcome that.
Wrapping up this conversation, how do you see India's renewable energy market evolving in the next 5 years?
See, we are third in the world in renewable sector. Right now we are third, and I am sure we'll be second in next 5 years. India will be second. Because a lot of production units are coming. We are expanding our business to European market, African market, and all. So world has a demand, and India has that production capacity, developing the capacity. So definitely after 5 years we would be number 2.
Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your perspective towards renewable energy India. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.